Welcome to Siquijor Island, the mystical gem of the Philippines. Dive into the turquoise waters of Cambugahay Falls, feel the thrill of cliff jumping, and explore century-old churches rich in history. Ride a motorbike along scenic coastal roads and experience the island's enchanting charm. Known for its folklore and natural beauty, Siquijor is the perfect mix of adventure and mystery. Are you ready to explore?
Before we start that video, I have some interesting questions for you. First one, are the Cambugahay Falls really worth a visiting? What are the must-visit spots on Siquijor Island? Did I had the courage to jump from a 10 meters cliff? And last, but definitely not least, how did I get here? How much did everything cost? And how high was the fun factor on that island? I'm now at the ancient tree in Siquijor, a really nice old tree. Sitting here at the fish spa is definitely really relaxing. The fish are having fun, they eating my feet. After the ancient tree, I go now to the Lugnason Falls, really nice waterfalls. We have motorbike and do a nice ride till there. See you at the next destination. The Lugnason Falls at my back. Definitely you need to visit that place when you come to Siquijor. Just a little motorbike ride through the jungle and then you're here. You can do the swing, really nice, but you need to be fit. Or you can jump from the top of the waterfall, which I did. Yeah, if you're here, would you try it or not? So my friends, now I'm at Salagdoong Beach and I will do a nice cliff jump. So follow me. Definitely it was a lot of fun here. You can do cliff jumping, 10 meters cliff. High, but worth. If you're in Siquijor, come here and enjoy the adventure. You too have a nice beach to relax. Really good. We go to the next station now. See you there. Lazi Church in Siquijor. This church was built in 1884, so really old one. And the walls are made of coral stone. Really interesting. It's definitely a natural treasury of the Siquijor in Philippines. So come on, follow me, we will enjoy. I am now at the Cambugahay Waterfall, famous for its crystal clear turquoise water. You see it already at the back, and it's a multi-tier waterfall. But as you can see in the back, it's really touristy. So maybe some of the famous YouTubers tell you, wow, so nice, and they come maybe here at 8 o'clock in the morning. But if you're here at 12, lunchtime, everything is packed full of people. So definitely maybe worth a seeing if you come early. Later I will not recommend it to you. Today is my last day on Siquijor Island. I will go back to Dumaguete City and then take a flight to Manila and afterwards to Ho Chi Minh City. For coming and going to the island, I took Ocean Jet, a really good ferry. I took business class, so you have comfortable seats and it's not that expensive. If I need to rate my experience on Siquijor Island, I will definitely give it a 9 out of 10.
You have the relaxing factor, so you can chill on the white sandy beaches, or you can do action, so you can go cliff jumping, or you can do the visitor explorer, go to the nice waterfalls on the island, discover new things. And the people here are really friendly. What I'm missing on the Philippines is definitely a good coffee in the morning. But overall, I will definitely come back to the Philippines. Now our next videos are going to be in Vietnam. So, if you like our channel, please subscribe. It will definitely help us and we will be really thankful for that. Leave us a like, do a little bit of commenting. We see you soon in Vietnam. Evie will come again back to the channel and we will do a lot of nice videos for you. I have a lot of good things upcoming, so stay tuned, activate the bell, then you will never miss a video. And thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Bye bye.